I have given value to each variable and I have also labeled it. It was easy from the questionnaire file and from the data file. I have just copy pasted it, so it was not cumbersome. So you can do it from the questionnaire file or you can do it from the data dictionary. Then as far as the giving value is concerned, you can when there are similar yes no kind of question, you can copy paste, or you can use the function from the data menu, define variable property, and you can bring the property of other variable to the current variable. Alright, and don't forget to save the file as a SPSS file. So now I have saved it as a substance use.sav file. Don't forget this, otherwise you will close this document and you will lost whatever the changes you have made to your data. Now we are not dealing with the Excel file. This is our file and this is the file where we are going to do our analysis. Alright, so now the analyze menu is most important menu for us because now we are going to do analysis. So first we will perform a descriptive analysis. What do you mean by descriptive analysis? I already told you that we are going to describe in terms of numbers, frequency, proportion, percentage. Alright, so we have descriptive frequency. Okay, so for the frequency I will select course. I will select there are two, course of the study and year of the study. Alright, gender, type of family, can shift and select all. Alright, so the big objects. Okay, statistics. Click on statistics, what you want. As it is a categorical data, we won't be able to calculate mean and all. Cancel chart. We can have bar chart. Continue. Whether you want frequency or percentage. Let us go for percentage. Display frequency table format. Cancel. Style. Click on OK. So it is running frequency. See here, it is running. So it has not completed yet. Alright, so now it is completed. Okay, so what we are doing currently is counting. We are counting the things. So CDC, count, divide and compare. This is the rule of analysis. First you have to count, then you can divide, then you can compare. So we are just counting it, the frequency of the various variables. So first table is our statistics. So missing, how many missing, how many. So 461, no missing data. Then course of the study, so MBBS, so this is the percentage. Course of the student. Year and course of the student. What is the course of student? First year, second year, third year and final. Okay, so I just forgot to give it a value. So let us quickly give it a value. Alright, it can be done manually also. No need to give it a value. Okay, gender of the participant, type of family, hostel, medical illness present, 3.7%. Participant have medical illness past, and this is a detail. psychiatric illness present, family history. Okay, so it has also prepared a bar chart. Okay, we can double click on it, and we can give it a value, data labels, percentage. Double click, right click, and show data labels. Click on show data labels. Then close it. Okay, so you can't do it by right clicking this chart itself. First you have to double click it, so the chart editor will open. Then you have to click right click and click on show data labels. So I will be doing it for the rest of the chart. Alright, so this is our frequency distribution, frequency tables. Now in the next step, I will be doing the same for my continuous variable. These are the all variable for this we have done for the categorical variable, but we are also having a age. Then these are the scale. These are the different scale having a I will be doing it for the total score of alcohol, and not for each and every one. So this was the frequency distribution for the demographic variables. Okay, we can save the output as a Word file. Okay, so select this output, and alright, so we have saved our first frequency tables in a Word file. Alright, good. Now we will be doing the same thing for our continuous variable. So from the Analyze menu, Descriptive, we have Descriptive Analysis. Then we will take age. Then we have a total score. This is the individual score. Then we have also a total score. Click on option, mean, standard deviation, standard error of mean, style. Okay, click on OK. So we have mean age 20 years, range from 18 to 25, standard deviation 1.3. Okay, this for first year, second year, third year, and final year. So this as expected. This is the individual score of the participant on particular product. So on tobacco and alcohol, the highest score, I guess. Yeah. So 0.22 and 0.48. Rest of these is very rare. It is basically alcohol and tobacco. It is very rare for cannabis, marijuana, or opioid among medical students. Very rare. This is a total score. Alright, it's total score on tobacco 41. It's mean score. Alright, so this is also I want to save as a Word file. So we'll write it as a Alright, so we have means for the individual questions, and we have frequency distribution for the demographic variables. Then we have another nominals variable, that is this reason behind quitting and all the qualitative component, and this risk category. Okay, so we can do a frequency distribution for that also. Go to descriptive, frequency, reset. Okay, now we will be doing total score in risk category, total score in risk category. Okay, so risk category. For each substance, we have a risk category. We have categorized our score into a risk based upon the WHO guideline. Okay, now these are the reason, qualitative component. Reason for quitting, not quitting, have you ever tried quitting? Okay, now we have chart and so click OK. So for the risk category, it has not taken any category because we haven't given any value to it. In our data, we have not defined the values, reason for quitting and for the total score. So let us do that. It's already given here. No risk, 1 means low risk, 2 means moderate, 3 means high. So let us apply category. Tobacco, scale, tobacco. service category. Let us give a value. The same in rest of the category also, so we can copy paste it. Save the file. Go to Analyze, Descriptive, Frequency. This time I will also select Chart. Continue. Okay. Alright, so we have saved this analysis in Word file, risk category and the qualitative data analysis, most of the frequency distribution. And now let us further move to our analysis, what else we can do with our data. Alright, so most of the frequency count we have performed. Now let us try to formulate a cross tabulation. What cross tabulation we can perform here? So let us go back to our questionnaire. So this is our questionnaire. Let us check what we can do. Okay, so we have age, years of study. So course wise, year wise, we can check whether the consumption of these substances are present or not. That we can do. Alright. It is coded as a no, yes, and we have taken it as a separately as a score. So what we can do, instead we can keep it as a, we can duplicate this variable and consider this as a categorical. Yes, no. To check the consumption pattern, whether yes or no. Let us do that.